The future of global electronics manufacturing is here. Thailand Electronics Circuit Asia, or THECA 2026. Thailand are ASEAN's #1 PCB manufacturer and a top 5 global production base. The supply chain is shifting. Are you ready? Be part of the exponential growth. With over $560 million in trade value generated and visitor numbers surging by nearly 7,000, THECA is the industry's fastest growing platform. Step into a new dimension under the theme, Innovating PCB and Advanced Electronics with Next-Gen Packaging. Don't miss the Power to Motion Zone. It's the ultimate convergence of mobility and AI systems, from EV and data centers to silicon carbide technology. Connect directly with decision makers up to 46 countries. Over 200 global brands are here, from upstream materials to advanced solutions. Secure your place in the global supply chain. Thailand Electronics Circuit Asia, or THECA 2026. August 26th to 28th at Bitech Bangna, Bangkok, Thailand. Book your booth today at www.thailandelectronicscircuitasia.com.